In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Motorola Moto G 2025 edition. Now, this is a compelling option in the budget smartphone category, focusing on core features and the excellent battery life at the accessible price point. It represents Motorola's continued effort to offer great value in the crowded 5G market. This just might be the most budget-friendly phone out there. Now, what I have here is the one for the straight talk. If you're getting this for the track phone, Simple Mobile, Total by Verizon, it is all the same company and the same contents will be inside the box. Let's start with the unboxing first. Inside the box, you get quick start guide, you have the straight talk with the IMEI and all that, and then you have a little pamphlet about the introduction of the phone. Let's put that on the side. Also inside the box, we have USB-C to USB-C cable, and then we have the SIM card injector. That's it, no power adapter. Now this is 6.7-inch phone. On the back, we do have vegan leather. And I gotta say, this is a pretty attractive phone. It's not too thick and it feels nice inside the hand. Now on the bottom, we have 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always nice to see. USB-C for charging, speaker, microphone. And then we have the power button, volume controls, microphone. And then on this side, we have the SIM card slot and the SD card expansion. And I believe this could also be fingerprint sensor, but we're going to find out once I do activate this. Alright, so I just finished setting this up and it was pretty simple, just like any Android device. Now it does have a fingerprint sensor for unlock, so all you have to do is once you lift that up, place your finger and unlock it. It works 100% of the time without any issues. Let's talk a little bit about the specs. Let's start with the display. This is 6.7-inch IPS LCD. It does have a 720 pixel resolution, which is not ideal, but it does have 120 Hz refresh rate. When it comes to the performance, we're looking at MediaTek Dimensity 6300 CPU. Now, I ended up using this CPU numerous times. It does come with a lot of these budget-friendly phones, and it's a pretty decent CPU. It's definitely a lot better than some of the CPUs that I found on these Samsung phones. It also has 4GB of RAM, storage starts at 64GB, and you can also end up getting the 128GB version. There's also SD card expansion up to 1TB. Now inside the phone we have 5000 mAh battery, which again comes in pretty much every budget-friendly phone. You can easily get a full day of use. If you don't use the phone as much, you will be able to get 2, maybe even 3 days of use. Charging is probably one of the best things when it comes to Motorola phones, and this is no exception. This supports 30 watts turbo power charging. As you notice during the unboxing, there is no power brick, so you do have to provide your own. Now on the back, we have dual cameras, 50 megapixel main and 2 megapixel macro vision. And now again, 50 megapixel main seems like it's pretty much the same camera that a bunch of these budget-friendly phones use. It's decent if you have good lighting, like for example, inside my room, it's very well lit, so the pictures will look pretty good. Just to show you that, let's end up a quick little picture here. Let me just find the right angle here. And we're just gonna do raw footage, no editing or anything. So here we go with the picture. Let's check the things in the background. Now that's a little small piece that I have right there, and quality looks pretty good on that. Then I also have some Star Wars. Let's zoom in on that. Again, the quality seems pretty good. Then we have some PlayStation 5 games. Let's end up checking the box of this. Again, if it's a very well-lit room, the quality of pictures will look pretty good. Right out of the box, this does come with the Android 15, and the Motorola promises 2 OS upgrades. So you're gonna get Android 16 and the new, when it's released, Android 17. This phone does have 5G connectivity, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C, NFC, and the Bluetooth 5.3. So that was my unboxing and overview of the Moto G 2025 edition. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.